bring 4.3 million visitors to our shores. We earn 4.5 billion US dollars, but we argue about retention and that we are just about 40 cents in the dollar of retention. We can go to 60 cents, but we can only do that if we are able to supply against the demand of tourism. So tourism is the most consumer-driven activity on planet Earth. There is no other activity that enables the level, variety, and range of consumption that tourism is. Because people travel essentially, guess what to do? To eat. Number one, 42% of the expenditure of the visitor is on food. And I was just looking through to see what happens with cruise, for example. That here in the Caribbean, there's a demand for food of, in 2022, $5.3 billion. And it is expected that by 2033, the demand will be $17.3 billion US dollars for just food alone. That is the overall cruise demand as we move into the 30s. And we think that Jamaica, with our share of the cruise business, has an important part to play in supplying against that demand of what will become $17.3 billion US dollars by 2033.
Over the years, I've just watched, waiting for a moment like this to be able to get the cruise sector at this next level. They've supported us in so many ways over the years through tourism, transportation, and to get it to become a part of, potentially a part of their supply side is a big deal. I really want to just thank Devante and Marie for being here and for the commitment to Jamaica and navigating within the Carnival Corporation. And I want to thank all the suppliers in the room, multitudes of sectors, and the entire infrastructure of the Linkages Network and the Ministry of Tourism getting us here.